Assalamu alaikum. Here Zikra here. Today we are discussing about the evaluation of the quality assurance data. Evaluation of the quality assurance data के बारे में हम कुछ MCQs जो है डिस्कस करेंगे. Is about 100 of MCQs. First one is the first step is using in the control chart of quality assurance to determine कंट्रोल चार्ट क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस को डिटरमाइन करने के लिए क्या फर्स्ट स्टेप इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. मीन वैल्यू और स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन दोनों इस्तेमाल किए थे. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग अबाउट द both. The upper warning limit of the property control chart is calculated from obviously UCL is equal to CL minus 3S. We are discussing this about in our topic. The lower warning limits of property control chart is calculated from प्रॉपर्टी कंट्रोल चार्ट में वार्निंग लिमिट हम किससे लोअर वार्निंग लिमिट हम किससे डिस्कस करते हैं. हम ऑब्वियसली लोअर वार्निंग लिमिट वाला फार्मूला हमने पढ़ा हुआ है इज इक्वल टू CL प्लस 2S. द लोअर कंट्रोल लिमिट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी कंट्रोल चार्ट इज कैलकुलेटेड फ्रॉम लोअर कंट्रोल लिमिट. हम इसमें लोअर कंट्रोल लिमिट इज इक्वल टू CL प्लस 2S से डिस्कस करेंगे. विच रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर द फाउंडेशन ऑन विच क्वालिटी इज मेजर्ड. सॉफ्टवेयर में सॉफ्टवेयर फाउंडेशन रिक्वायर्ड होती है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ एसक्यू प्लान फॉर अ प्रोजेक्ट. अमाउंट ऑफ टेक्निकल वर्क्स, evaluation to be performed or audit review to be performed, documents to be produced by the SQA group. तो इसमें अमाउंट ऑफ टेक्निकल वर्क आएगा कि जितना हम टेक्निकल वर्क यूज़ करेंगे वो प्रोजेक्ट के लिए यूज़ होगा. डिग्री ऑफ विच डिज़ाइन स्पेसिफिकेशन आर फॉलोड इन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग द प्रोडक्ट इज कॉल्ड. Quality control, qualities of conformance, quality assurance, none of these. Quality of conformance, degree of स्पेसिफिकेशन के लिए हम क्वालिटी ऑफ कन्फर्मेंस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं प्रोडक्ट के मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द एक्सटर्नल फेलियर कॉस्ट. एक्सटर्नल फेलियर कॉस्ट के लिए किस चीज़ को हम इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. टेस्टिंग को हम टेस्ट नहीं करते. दैट्स वाई फेलियर कॉस्ट होता है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट एन अप्रेजल कॉस्ट इन SQA. SQA के अंदर अप्रेजल कॉस्ट क्या नहीं है. क्वालिटी प्लानिंग, क्वालिटी की प्लानिंग की जाती है इसलिए कॉस्ट जो हमारी बचती नहीं है. हु आइडेंटिफाइज डॉक्यूमेंट एंड वेरीफाइज द करेक्शन हैव बीन मेड टू द सॉफ्टवेयर. SQA ग्रुप जो आइडेंटिफाई करता है. द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ formal technical review is to find during the process so that they do not become defective after release of a software error, which is not included in the prevention cost. Here is the quality planning. Equipment calibration and maintenance. Software quality assurance consists of the audience and report function of management. Is it true or false? Is it true? Which requirements are foundation from which quality is measured? Software requirements. Which of the following is not a SQA plan? Amount of technical work. Degree to which design specification are followed in manufacturing of product is quality conformance. Which of the following is not included in the external failure testing. Which of the following is not in appraisal cost in SQA is quality planning. Who identifies documents and verifies the corrections. SQA group. All the mentioned above the primary objectives of the formal techniques reviews is to find during the dash during the process so that do not becomes defect after release of the software is the error को release कर देना चाहिए. Which is not included in the prevention cost. Equipment calibration and maintenance. Software quality assurance consists of auditing and reporting functions of management. Is it true? Quality management in software engineering is also known as SQA. Quality also can be looked at in the term of user satisfaction, which include a complaint product, good quality output delivery within the budget, or all of the above. In inspection and testing are what kind of quality cost. Is it prevention? These are back marker or exemptions of to film of applicable of SQC. Is it true? At the engagement quality control review, the person should mandatorily be the member of the ICI. Is it true? A team of individuals, partner persons, and a firm or qualified external persons can act as management, engaging in the quality control. It is true in which engagement quality control reviews is performed by the team individuals. The head of the team should be mandatory by member of ICI. It is true. A suitably qualified external person may be or may not be member of ICI. It is false. A firm can take external consultation. It is true. Engagement control reviews is mandatory required for all listed entities. It is true. Engagement partner always selected the engagement qualities and reviews. It is false when manager monitors the work performed of the workers in his department to determine if the planning of their work is up to stand. The manager is engaging in which foundation? It is controlling foundation. What do you call the understanding of the document culture before choosing a suitable control system? Client control. What is the first step is control process? Step standard. What are the weakest form of control? Is the post control. Improving quality through small incremental improvement is characteristics of what type of quality management system? It is Carlson. What was the total quality management first developed in Japan? Which one of the following are key components of the total quality management system is individual responsibilities and increment improvement use of the raw data, which is the premise control based on assumptions. What is the terms of monitoring of event both internal and external to organization that affect strategy? Operational control, strategical surveillance, or strategic control or environmental scanning. Strategic control. What are the main characteristics of the effective control system? Flexibility, accuracy, timeline, and objectives. Obviously, the objectives of quality data is to control both systematic and random error. How many approaches of the developing quality assurance program has been described? Two approaches. The approaches in which exact method of quality assurance is prescribed in the prescriptive approach. In perform based approach to quality assurance, a laboratory is free use of experiences to determine the best way to gather and monitor quality assessment data. It is performance based or perspective based. It is performance based. A chart in which result for single measurement or means of several replicate measurements are plotted sequentially. Property chart. The chart in which charge standard deviations are plotted sequentially. Property chart or precision chart or P chart or none of above. Precision chart. The principal tool for performance-based quality assessment is control chart. How many types of control chart are commonly used in the quality assurance? Two types. The best way to gather and monitor quality assessment data. It is perspective approach. The range V is gathered that then or equal to 0, 1 or 2 or 3. It is 0, 0. Sorry, it is 2, 0 by mistake लगाया गया यहाँ पर. If S is a good approximation for included dash percentage of the data is then 9.9 and 99.74. The objectives of the quality data is to control. कौन सा क्वालिटी डेटा के ऑब्जेक्टिव से कंट्रोल करता है सिस्टमैटिक और रैंडम एरर को. हाउ मैनी अप्रोचेज ऑफ टू डेवलप quality assurance program has described to. The approach in which an exact method of quality assurance is prescribed is called the prospective approach, and which performance-based approach to quality assurance in laboratory is to free use its experience to determine the best way to gather monitor quality assessment data. Prescriptive approach or performance-based approach. I think it's performance-based approach. The chart in which result for single measurement of the mean or the mean of several replicants measurements are plotted sequentially. Property chart. The chart in which ranges and standard deviation are plotted sequentially. Property chart or precision chart. Precision chart. The principal tool of performance based quality assessment is control chart. How many type of control charts are commonly used in the quality? Two type. The best way to gather monitor quality assessment data is performance based approach. Software quality assurance consists of auditing and reporting functions management. It is true. Which requirements are foundation from which quality is measured? Software. Which of the following is not SQA plan for a subject? Amount of technical work, degree to which design specification um, are followed in manufacturing product is called quality of conformance. Which of the following is not included in external failure cost testing? Which of the following is not an appreciable cost of SQMA? Is the quality planning whose identifies the document and variations that correction has been made SQA group. The primary objective of the formal technique review is to find dash during the process so that they don't become deflect and release of software. It is error. Finding defects is not a major goal or acceptance testing. It is true. Which of the following is a myth in the test? Any user can test software. A constant improvement cycle is based on systematic sequence of activities. It is PDCA. The cost incurred in the first time reviews testing is red money or green money or blue money. It's blue money. Q organization are less quality conscious. It is true or false. It is true. System is considered to be a systematic control if any single point either is a UDL and LCU to the upper and lower limiting which are located at plus minus 2 5 should only be exceeded by the data of 5%. A system is considered to out statistical control if two or more than conventional uh, consecutive points is completely above or completely below the center. It is about 7. Our system is considered to be statistical, consists of 6 consecutive points, are all increasing values or all dash in values decreases. The advantage of prospective approach to quality assurance is that the consistent set of guidelines it is about double. Thank you so much.